Assalamu alaikum kids. How are you? Hope you are fine. May Allah increase your knowledge and bless you with health. Ameen. Let's start our today's lesson. In previous video which was about half shapes of Huroof al Hijaa or Arabic alphabets, I told you that Arabic alphabets are also called Huroof al Hijaa. Huroof al Hijaa are 28 Arabic letters which are fundamental for learning Quran. You have learned that Arabic alphabets or Huroof al Hijaa have shapes and sounds. Shapes and sounds. Like ba has this shape and its sound is ba, ba. Sheen has this shape and its sound is sheen, sheen. I told you in lesson 1 that Huroof al Hijaa have half shapes. These are the half shapes of all Huroof al Hijaa Arabic alphabets. All the half shapes of Huroof al Hijaa. Remember that we have learned that few Arabic alphabets don't have proper half shapes. They just join or come in the words as they are. And they are Alif, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Waw, Ta, Za. Today in lesson 2, you will learn about the half shapes of the rest of the Huroof al Hijaa. Rest of Huroof al Hijaa have 3 types of shape according to their position: starting or initial shape, middle or medial shape, and our final shape. Now we will learn full shapes, half shapes, and sounds of all the Arabic alphabets Huroof al Hijaa one by one. Look at the full shape of Alif. This is the full shape of Alif. Remember, it does not have a proper half shape. You can see it does not have a proper half shape. It joins the words as it is. So this is the full shape. Half shape. When it comes in the word at the start, the shape is like this. In the middle, its shape is like this. And at the end, it joined like this. These are the half shapes of Alif when it join or come in the word. And this is the sound of Alif. Alif, Alif. Now comes the Ba family. The letters of this family are Ba, Ta, Sa. And you can see that the full shapes as well as their half shapes are same, except the dots. Ba has a dot under it, ta has 2 dots on it, and sa has 3 dots on it. Otherwise, their full shape and their half shapes are same. Ba, ta, sa. This is the full shape of letter Ba. The alphabet have 3 types of proper half shape according to its position in a word. When it comes in the start of the word, its full shape changes into half shape like this. When it comes in the middle of a word, it looks like this, and at the end the word the letter Ba look like this. In the start, in the middle, and at the end. This is the sound of letter Ba. Ba, ba. This is the full shape of letter Ta, and it also have 3 types of proper shapes according to its position. When it comes at the start, it look like this. When it comes in the middle, its shape is like this. And when it comes at the end, it look like this. These are the half shapes of letter Ta. And this is the sound of Ta. Ta. Sa, the full shape of letter Sa, and it also have 3 types of proper half shapes. When it comes at the start, its full shape is like this, in the middle and at the end. And in a word, it look like this at the start, in the middle, and at the end. And its sound is Tha. Tha. After the Ba family, Jim family comes. The letters in the Jim family are Jim, Ha, Ha. And as you can see that as they are families, so their full shapes as well as their half shapes are same except the presence of dots. There is a dot in the Jim, there is no dot in Ha, and there is a dot on Ha. This is the Jim family. This is letter Jim full shape. You can see a dot in it. These are the half shapes of Jim. When it come in the word, the initial shape is this, the middle shape, and the end shape. And its sound is Jim. Jim. Letter Ha. This is the letter Ha without any dot on it or in it. These are its half shapes. When it come in the words, its starting shape is like this. This is the middle shape, and this is the ending shape. And its sound is Ha. Ha. Letter Kha. It has a dot on it. These are its half shapes. When it comes in the words, its starting shape is this. This is the middle shape, and this is the end shape. its sound is ha, ha. Here comes the family of dal. Dal family consists of two letters, dal and zal. You can see a dot on zal. Then comes the ra family, and it consists of two letters, ra, za. You can see a dot on za. Sometimes it also pronounced as zai, zai. And remember, these four letters don't have any specific half shape. They don't change their half shape. They remains the same. This is the full shape of dal, and these are its half shapes: in the start, in the middle, and at the end. And when it comes in a word, the starting shape is like this, middle shape and the end shape. And you can see that there is no specific change in its half shape. It remains the same as it is full. And the sound of dal is dal, dal. Letter zal, this is its full shape and it has a dot on it, and its half shapes are same. When it comes in the word, at the start it looks like this, in the middle and at the end. And its sound is zal, zal. This is the full shape of ra, and these are its half shape. And you can see there's no specific change in its shape as half shape. This is the starting shape, this is the middle shape, and this is the end shape. And the sound of ra is raw, raw. This is the letter za, za. It has a dot on it, and these are its half shapes. When it comes in the words, the starting shape is like this, the middle shape and the end shape. And you can see that there is no specific change in the full half shape. It remains the same as it is the shape of full. And the sound of za is za, za. And sometimes it also pronounced as zai, zai. Here comes the family of seen, and it consists of two members, seen, sheen. And as they are family members, their shape also remains the same, except the presence of dots, that sheen has three dots on it. This is the letter seen. Letter seen has three types of proper shape: the starting, the middle, and the end. When it comes in the word, the starting shape is like this, the middle shape is like this, and this is the ending shape. So, letter seen has three types of proper shapes according to its position in the word. And its sound is seen, seen. This is the letter sheen. It has three dots on it, and it has three proper half shapes. When it comes in the start, it looks like this, in the middle and at the end. And its sound is sheen, sheen. This is the family of sod. It has two members, sod, dod. Dod has a dot on it. This is the full shape of sod, and it has 3 proper half shapes. When it comes in the start, it looks like this, in the middle shape and the end shape. And the sound is sod, sod. This is the full shape of letter dod. It has a dot on it, and it also have 3 proper half shapes. When it comes at the start, it looks like this. This is its middle shape, and this is the end shape. And its sound is dod, dod. Here comes the ta family. Ta, za. You can see there is a dot on za. And we have told you that ta and za don't have a proper half shape. This is the full shape of ta, and these are its half shapes. When it comes in the start, it looks like this. This is the middle shape, and this is the end shape. And you can see that there is no specific change in the half shape of ta. And the sound of ta is ta, ta. This is the full shape of letter za, and it has a dot on it. Za have no proper half shape. When it comes in the word at the start, it looks like this. This is the middle shape, and this is the end shape. And there's no specific change in the full shape and the half shapes. And the sound of the is the, the. After the ta family, the family of ain is here. Ain, ghain. Their half and full shapes are same except the presence of dot. Ghain has a dot on it. Their half shapes are like same. This is the full shape of ain, and these are its half shapes. When it comes at the start, the middle shape, the end shape. And the sound is ain, ain. The full shape of ghain. These are its proper 3 half shapes: the starting shape, the middle shape, and the end shape. And when it comes in the word, the starting shape is like this, in the middle it look like this, and at the end it look like this. And the sound is ghain, ghain. Here is the family of fa and kaf. Fa has a 1 dot on it, and Qaf has 2 dots on it. This is the full shape of fa, and you can see there is a dot on it. When it comes in at the start, its shape is like this. This is the middle shape, and this is the half shape. And when it comes in the word, its shapes are like this. And the sound is fa, fa. This is the full shape of qaf. It has 2 dots on it, and it has 3 proper shapes. When it comes in the start, in the middle, and at the end. When it comes in the words, its shapes are like, starting shape is like this, the middle shape and the end shape. And its sound is qaf, qaf. This is the full shape of kaf. The half shapes, when it comes at the start, in the middle, and at the end. Kaf have three proper shapes, and its sound is kaf, kaf. This is the full shape of lam. Lam also have three proper shapes when it comes at the start, in the middle, and at the end. In the word, it look like this: the starting shape, the middle shape, and the end shape. And its sound is lam, lam. The full shape of meme is this, and it has three proper shapes: the starting shape, the middle shape, and the end shape. In the words, the starting shape look like this, the middle shape, and the end shape. And the sound is meme, meme. Noon. The full shape of noon is this, and it also has three proper shapes: the starting shape, the middle shape, and the end shape. When it comes in the word, the starting shape look like this, the middle shape look like this, and the end shape look like this. And the sound is noon, noon. Here comes the letter wow, wow. The full shape of wow is this, and as you know that wow has no specific half shape. It just comes in the word as it is. These are all the half shapes. You can see it just look like the full shape of wow. And when it comes in the words, this is the starting shape, this is the middle shape, and this is the end shape. And the sound is wow, wow. This is letter ha. These are its half shapes. When it comes at the start, it look like this, in the middle, and at the end. And the sound is ha, ha. This is the shape of Hamza, and it has no specific half shape like Alif, because Alif and Hamza interchange each other. When the harkat come on the Alif, we call it Hamza, so it change its shape accordingly. Its sound is Hamza, Hamza. Ya, ya. This is the full shape of ya, and these are its half shape. Ya also have three proper half shape. When it comes at the start of the word, it look like this, in the middle it look like this, and at the end it look like this. And its sound ya, ya. Sometimes is also pronounced as yai, yai. Hope you understand today's lesson. Barakallahu feek. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.